Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everyone. My name is Shahadat Aidid bin Nordin and I'm from class 4A3. And today I want to make a project based on ECW 445, which is water filter. So we need to make the water filter is first we need a fine sand. Then we have a charcoal that we crush. The finer the charcoal, the better our water filter, okay? And then the last is the gravel. Okay, and a piece of cloth, a bottle, and the dirty water. Okay, I think we can start our project now. So first, we take a cloth and a bottle, and we put the clothes in the bottle to prevent the charcoal, the sand, and the gravel to penetrate the bottle. Then we put the charcoal that we crush. So we took the fine charcoal only. We put around this line charcoal. After that, the next step is we put the sand. About the same amount as the charcoal. Okay, lastly, put the gravel. So actually we have to choose the rock. There is a fine rock, not too big, not too small. And then we're done. And this is our water filter. Okay, then the last step is we put the water in it. Here is the dirty water. Take from the pond, the fish pond, and we can try it now. So as you can see, the water is going through the material. So you can see the water is clear than before. So, to sum up my project, this water filter is useful when you are in a survival mode, when you are go to the camping or hiking or anything else, but you don't have a clean water to drink, so you can use this. But before drink this water, you have to make sure you sterilize this water first. Okay, for the explanation of this project, the gravel and the sand is to separate the dirt from the water, and the charcoal is to purify the water, to make it clean water, so that we can drink this water. Okay, that's all from me, and that's my project. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you.